Dun & Bradstreet India, transforming business through SEO. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the inspiring case study of Dun & Bradstreet India and how they transformed their business through a targeted SEO strategy. As a global leader in commercial data and insights, Dun & Bradstreet faced challenges in standing out in a competitive digital space. By partnering with Infidigit, they achieved remarkable growth in organic traffic, user engagement, and lead generation. Let's break it all down. Introduction. Dun & Bradstreet India provides businesses with critical data and insights to make informed decisions about partnerships, leads, and opportunities. Despite being a trusted name in the industry, their online presence was struggling to generate sufficient organic traffic and clicks. To address this, they partnered with Infidigit to implement a robust SEO strategy that delivered measurable results. In this video, we'll explore the challenges Dun & Bradstreet faced, the solutions implemented, and the impressive outcomes of their SEO journey. The challenges. Dun & Bradstreet India encountered several obstacles that limited their online visibility. 1. Technical issues. Their website was not optimized for search engines. Crawling and indexing problems hindered organic growth. 2. Content deficiency. Minimal and unoptimized content reduced their ability to rank for high-value keywords. 3. Header tags missing. Pages lacked proper header tags, affecting readability for search engines. 4. Competitive landscape. Competing with other B2B data providers required innovative strategies to stand out. The strategy. Infidigit devised a comprehensive SEO strategy to address these challenges. Here's how they transformed Dun & Bradstreet's online presence. 1. Technical SEO. Conducted a detailed manual audit of the website using advanced tools. Implemented schema markup to enhance search engine understanding. Created XML sitemaps for better crawling and indexing. Optimized robots.txt files to ensure search engines could access important pages. 2. On-page optimization. Improved header tags and meta tags on service pages. Performed internal linking to enhance navigation for both users and bots. Optimized page titles and descriptions with target keywords like business insights and data analytic solutions. 3. Content optimization. Conducted a content gap analysis to identify missing topics. Recommended new content focused on high-value keywords such as how to assess business credibility or top lead generation strategies. Published optimized content that improved the SEO health score of web pages. 4. Off-page SEO. Built high-quality backlinks from authoritative external websites. Focused on increasing domain authority through guest posts and partnerships. The results. The results of these efforts were extraordinary. 156% increase in organic sessions within just 5 months of implementation. 175% growth in organic users. A significant boost in user engagement. 188% increase in organic new users. Expanded reach among new audiences. 186% growth in clicks. Improved click-through rates across service pages. Here's a table summarizing the key metrics. Metric improvement. Organic sessions plus 156%. Organic users plus 175%. Organic new users plus 188%. Clicks plus 186%. Example. Optimizing service pages. Let's take a detailed example of how Dun & Bradstreet optimized their service pages. 1. Keyword targeting. Identified high-value keywords like business data solutions and lead generation tools. 2. Content creation. Enhanced service pages with detailed descriptions of features like risk management tools and credit insights. Added FAQs targeting long-tail queries such as how does Dun & Bradstreet verify business credibility? 3. Internal linking. Linked service pages to related blogs like top strategies for lead generation or how data analytics can transform your business. 4. Schema implementation. added structured data for FAQs to appear in rich snippets on Google SERPs. By implementing these changes, Dun & Bradstreet improved rankings for service-related keywords while enhancing user engagement. Tools and resources. To achieve these results, Dun & Bradstreet used several tools provided by Infodigit. 1. Technical SEO tools. Screaming Frog for identifying technical issues like broken links. Gmetrics for improving page speed. 2. Keyword research and tracking. SEMrush to discover high-value keywords. Google Keyword Planner for analyzing search volumes. 3. Content optimization tools. Grammarly to ensure error-free writing. Yoast SEO for optimizing meta tags and readability. 4. Analytics and reporting tools. Google Analytics to track organic traffic growth. Ahrefs for backlink analysis and competitor research. 5. Schema implementation tools. Rank Math for adding structured data schemas. Key takeaways. Here are some lessons from Dun & Bradstreet's success story. 1. Invest in technical SEO. Fix foundational issues like crawling errors and schema markup before scaling your content efforts. 2. Optimize content strategically. Conduct gap analysis to identify missing topics and create high-quality content targeting user intent. 3. Leverage internal linking. Improve site navigation by linking relevant pages using keyword-rich anchor text. 4. Focus on off-page SEO. Build high-quality backlinks from authoritative websites to boost domain authority. 5. Monitor progress regularly. Use analytics tools to measure traffic growth, keyword rankings, and user engagement over time. Conclusion. Dun & Bradstreet India's journey demonstrates how targeted SEO strategies can transform an online presence by improving search rankings, driving organic traffic, and generating qualified leads. By focusing on technical improvements, content optimization, on-page enhancements, and off-page tactics, they achieved remarkable growth that continues to benefit their business. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. And most importantly, subscribe now to our channel for more case studies and actionable tips on digital marketing success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.